Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn something very interesting about numbers. Some basic numbers so you people know. What are they? Natural numbers and whole numbers. Now please tell me what are natural numbers? Very good. The numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 all are natural numbers. As we count with them, they are also called as counting numbers. Another set of numbers are whole numbers. Whole numbers are starting from 0 and they continue from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These numbers so you know. Now today we are going to study our chapter number 3, integers. In this lesson we will study introduction to integers, how we use integers in a real life, and also we will study representing integers on a number line. Okay, so let's move on. What you see in this picture? A boy shivering with cold. When it is very cold and starts snowing, it never snows in Maharashtra, but it snows in Kashmir, Shimla. At that time, the temperature goes below 0 degree. See, in this picture, the temperature has come down to minus 10 degree Celsius. Okay, to represent the quantity which are below 0 degree, we use integers. See, in this picture, a picture of a lift is shown. What is shown here? There are some numbers that are also below 1. 0, minus 1. Whenever we are showing integers, what we take ground as our reference level. So anything which is below the ground is written with a negative sign. See, when you go to malls or some big towers, what happens there? They have the basement parking. मीन्स बेसमेंट पार्किंग मतलब ऐसी पार्किंग जो ग्राउंड के नीचे. आप बड़े मॉल्स में गए होंगे तो आपने देखा होगा फर्स्ट फ्लोर ऊपर रहता है और नीचे पार्किंग रहती है. तो जब वो नंबर रहते हैं तो उनको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए नेगेटिव साइन का यूज़ करना पड़ता है. और कहाँ हम नेगेटिव साइन यूज़ कर सकते हैं? देखिए, ये जो एक मैन दिख रहा है आपको पिक्चर में, ही इज़ डिपॉजिटिंग 5000. जब हम लोग पैसा डिपॉजिट करते हैं उस समय क्या होता है, हमारा पैसा बढ़ जाता है. सो एट दैट टाइम वी रिप्रेजेंट इट विथ अ प्लस साइन. बट व्हेन वी विड्रॉ मनी, जब पैसा निकाल रहे हैं तो क्या हो रहा है, हमारा पैसा कम हो रहा है, तो उस समय हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं माइनस साइन. इट इज़ माइनस 5000. ओके. और कब माइनस यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम? जब हमें प्रॉफिट होता है, जब कुछ फ़ायदा होता है, तब भी क्या होता है, हमारे पैसे बढ़ जाते हैं, तो उस समय हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे प्लस साइन. लेकिन जब कभी हमें नुकसान होता है किसी चीज़ का, उस समय क्या होता है, हमारे पैसे कम हो जाते हैं, तो उस समय हम यूज़ करेंगे एक माइनस यानी नेगेटिव साइन का. तो जब भी जो चीज़ बढ़ती जाती है, दे ऑल आर रिप्रेजेंटेड विथ अ प्लस साइन, और जब चीज़ें कम होती हैं, दे आर रिप्रेजेंटेड विथ अ माइनस साइन. इससे हमें क्या पता चला? व्हाट आर इंटीजर्स? इंटीजर्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप. वन आर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. ए इंटीजर इज पॉजिटिव इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0. अगर जो नंबर 0 से बड़े हैं, जैसे 1, 2, 3, वो सब भी इंटीजर्स के अंदर आते हैं, लेकिन उन्हें हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. और नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स क्या होते हैं? एन इंटीजर इज नेगेटिव इफ इट इज लेस देन 0. जो 0 से कम होते हैं, जैसे -1, -2, -3, ये सब 0 से कम है, तो ये भी इंटीजर्स के अंदर आते हैं. तो 0 क्या है? 0 ना ही नेगेटिव है ना ही पॉजिटिव, ये एक होल नंबर है. सो 0 इज नॉट एन इंटीजर, बट द नंबर ग्रेटर देन 0 एंड लेस देन 0 आर इंटीजर्स. इसमें आपको ये बात भी एक ध्यान रखना है कि इंटीजर्स कभी फ्रैक्शंस में नहीं होते. फ्रैक्शंस यानी 2/3, 4/3, इस तरह के इंटीजर्स नहीं होते. ना ही इंटीजर्स पॉइंट में होते, जैसे 1.33, 1.46, इस तरह पॉइंट में भी नहीं होते. इंटीजर्स सिर्फ नेगेटिव हो सकते हैं, नेगेटिव नंबर्स हो सकते हैं, या फिर वो हो सकते हैं positive numbers. Clear everyone? Okay. Repeat with me, what are positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. What are negative integers? -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. All are negative integers, and this you have to remember by heart, that 0 is defined neither negative nor positive. 0 is a whole number. Now we'll move on to practice set 4. Classify the following numbers as positive numbers and negative numbers. Now this exercise you can solve it very easily. Okay. So you all have to take out your notebooks, pen, and write the numbers, and opposite that numbers you have to write P for positive and N for negative. Later on you can write it in full form. Okay. I'll speak out the number for you and you have to tell me, and also along with it write in your notebook. -5. Yes, negative integer. +4, positive integer. Very good. -2, negative integer. 7, no sign. What it will be? Whenever no sign is there, it is assumed it is a plus sign. No sign means plus sign. So 7 is a positive integer. +26, yes, positive integer. -49, very good, negative integer. -37, positive integer. 90, yes, positive integer. -25, negative integer. +8, positive integer. 5, positive integer. -4, negative integer. And -12, yes, it is also a negative integer. Very good. Now this concept is clear. What are negative integers and what are positive integers? Okay, now we will move on to another images. Oh, these are beautiful images. What you see in this image? There is one submarine. What are submarine? They are the small packed boats which go under the water. You can see submarine. So what I told you previously, anything which is below the ground are treated with a negative sign. And what is in the other picture? Use the brush. Yes. In the second picture, what you see? It is a big mountain, snowy mountain. Now mountains are very high, they are very heighted. So they are definitely above the ground. So what you will write? Write always the height of the mountain with a positive sign. Now tunnel. See, this is the tunnel. You might have gone in the tunnels while traveling with train or while traveling on the roads. Tunnels are mostly they are below the ground, or they are inside any big mountain. Mountains are cut and tunnels are made. So tunnels are also represented with a negative sign. Okay, we will move on. Now practice set 4.3. After seeing those images, now this practice set have become very simple. A submarine is at a depth of 512 meter below sea level. Okay, now here sea level is there. Sea level, what we will take sea level as 0. Now you have seen submarine image. Where it was? It was inside the water. So what we will write here? -512. The height of Mount Everest, the highest peak in Himalayas, is 8,848 meters. Now Himalayan mountain image also you have seen. Where is Himalayan mountain? It is very high. So again, how you will write? Plus 8,848 meter. Okay. Now next one, a kite is flying at a distance of 120 meter from the ground. Where you fly kite in the sky, don't fly kites inside the ground. Okay. So what you will write here? You will write plus 120 meter. Now tunnel, again you have seen tunnel. Tunnel is at the depth of 2 meter under the ground. So under the ground it is. So what you will write? -2 for it. Okay. Now we will learn how to show integers on a number line. Whenever you draw a number line, you have to take 0 as your origin. Now what is origin? Origin is a number which is in between. Half part of the numbers will be on the one side and the other half will be on the other side. As you all can see, 0 is in between. On right hand side there are positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And on the left hand side there are negative integers -1, -2, -3 and so on. So what they have asked, show the numbers -3 plus 4 on a number line. It's a very simple question. Only you have to remember that while drawing a number line, you have to draw all the points at equidistance from each other. Means all the points should have equal distance among them. It's better that you use a scale so that you can mark it correctly. You can mark as from 0 to 0.51, then 2, 3, 4. But there should be same distance between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4 and so on. Okay. Now I'll show you how to do it. See, -3. This you can easily see. Where is -3? See, here it is -3. And where is +4? Here it is +4. It is very, very simple exercise. Only you have to remember, you have to do it neatly and correctly. Doing maths is very much associated with neatness. If you do the sum neatly and correctly, then only it will be presentable. तो देखने में खुद को भी अच्छा लगेगा और जो उसको चेक कर रहा है उसे भी अच्छा लगेगा. तो नंबर लाइन तो बहुत सिंपल है, लेकिन आपको उसे नीटली करना ज़रूरी है. ओके, तो रिवाइज करते हैं हम लोग. व्हाट वी हैव लर्न टुडे, numbers written on the right side are positive numbers. Numbers written on the left side are negative numbers. Integers can be represented using a number line. Okay, and this is your homework which you have to complete, a very simple one. Thank you.